This station is East Hills.
East Hills is a small suburb of around 3,400 people, located in southwest Sydney on the Georges River. The station is served by the T8 line from Macarthur and Campbelltown to the City Circle via the airport and Sydenham. Services used to terminate here before the line was extended across the Georges River to Glenfield, hence the line's previous and still used name, the East Hills Line. East Hills receives a direct service to the city every 15 minutes on weekdays and weekends, like many stations on the line and in Sydney. It's got step-free access. You can see there's a lift here that goes down to a underpass over there, lift on that side, and a ramp out there. There's also some stairs. Quite interestingly, it's a 3-platform station with the main trains running over there on 3 towards Macarthur, and here on 2 towards City. Platform 1 occasionally takes some terminating services. It used to, but doesn't so much anymore. Because of, in the past, this was the terminus of the T8. Trains would terminate here at East Hills, because they were from that bridge over there towards over the Georges River. Down in the concourse, there's opal poles, no actual gates. There's some poles here. We have departure boards, toilets, filtered water. How did they get filtered water at a least used station? Alright, and then yeah, it's a pass-through subway. I think there's a bus connection out there. And there's 2 entrances, a small laneway back there, and the road that you just saw. And this lovely mural. We went for a stroll through the streets of East Hills up to a pedestrian footbridge where you could view the trains. The patronage here at East Hills is very low, but relative to some of the other stations on the network, it's not too low. It gets 13,530 passengers per month, which is around 451 passengers a day, in the months of May and June 2022.